Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript front-end web tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to create a pop-up window using a JavaScript and CSS styles. And that pop-up window, I will add multiple background colors to that pop-up window. So let's start the tutorial. Double click that one. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice the pop-up window. When I click, see here, this is a pop-up window open with a multiple colors. Close, open, close. See? For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a JavaScript tutorials. And here our folder is added JavaScript tutorials. Which is at this moment the folder is empty. Let's create one new file called popup.html, and here we got our HTML file. Let's minimize this Explorer, and also we'll close this welcome page. Now let's write the coding part. First I'm adding doc type basic HTML tags. I'm adding, close this HTML. After that we require the header section, then we require the body element. Now inside this body I'm adding one button control. The button name is a open popup. Now after the button control, I am adding one div element, which is the pop-up window box. Let's define the ID is equals to pop-up container. Now inside this pop-up container, I am adding another div element, which h3. This is pop-up model box, horizontal line, and h5 another header tag using JavaScript and CSS styles. And last I am adding one button control. So this button control is to close a pop-up window. The button name is a close. That's it. It's a very simple HTML elements, contains two button controls and one pop-up model control. Now in the header section, I'm adding some styles. Now inside this style, I'm adding styles to this pop-up container. So let's copy this one, the ID name, and paste here. Pop-up container, display none. First display none when page opens. I don't want to display the container. Then position is fixed. The positions are top 0, left 0, right 0, bottom 0 pixels, and the last one Z index. I'm adding Z index 999. And now for this div element I require a class. I'm adding a class called popup content. Let's copy this one and paste here. When we are adding the class names, we need to add dot popup content. Now here in this popup content, the maximum width is 400 pixels. Margin I'm adding margin 20 pixels, and also auto padding padding, let's add the 20 pixels. Border radius, I'm adding 5 pixels. Border radius 5 pixels, and text align is the center, and the color of the text is I'm adding white color. Now my aim is I want to add multiple background colors to this div element. So the background linear gradient function, this is the function we have to add the colors. I'm adding from right to right. First one I'm adding gray. Let's add the green, add some green color, and we'll change the colors. First let's add the pink, light pink, blue, change the color, light blue color, and green. I'm not adding green, I'm adding some orange color. That's it. Just for the demo purpose, I have added 3 colors. And now I will add some colors to the button, some styles to the button. Background color is some, let's add a gray, and the color of the text is white. That's it. And after that we require the script, JavaScript. So I'm adding the snippet at the bottom of the body. Let's add the body here. Script tag. Inside the script, function, the function button name. When I click the pop-up button, on click is equals to open pop-up. Let's copy this one. Open pop-up. This is a function name, pop-up. Document dot get element by id, between double quotes. Let's add this pop-up container. Copy this one and paste here. Dot will add some style dot display. I'm adding block. Let's copy this one to close the pop-up window. I'm adding on click close function. Let's add this all close function. Copy this one. Instead of pop-up, I'm adding close. And when user clicks this close button, I want to show none. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to File Explorer. The file name is, I have saved in the E drive, JavaScript tutorials. This is a file name Popup. Double click that one, and here we got the final output of our application. Notice the pop-up window. When I click, see here, this is a pop-up window open with a multiple colors. Close, open, close. See, that's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a simple stylish multiple color background color pop-up window using only JavaScript and CSS tags. Close, open, close. That's it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.